To connect earbuds or headphones into Poco C85, first of all, you have to open the settings on your Poco. You have to open the Bluetooth settings, make sure that you have turn it on by clicking here. And now on your device, you have to enter for the pairing mode. So in my case, and in the most cases actually, you have to input both earbuds inside the charging case, and you have to open the cover of your charging case. You have to find some kind of the button, you have to click and hold it, and wait until the indicator of your earbuds starts blinking. In my case, it's blinking white, but you can find the different colors like blue, red, or green even. Now we have to search for available devices, and we have to simply refresh. If something is not working, you can turn off the Bluetooth for a few seconds and turn it on. And just be patient, and you have to wait. Sometimes it will hear after a few moments, sometimes you have to wait even 1 minute. But in my case, everything is fine. We have to click on the pairing button. Now as you can see, we are successfully connected. And here we can even find some settings.